This video tutorial I will explain what is Spring Boot. Imagine you are building a fancy house with all rooms and features you want. But instead of starting from scratch, you get a magical toolkit that already has all the basic rooms and appliances you need to build a comfortable home. This magical toolkit is like Spring Boot in the world of computer programming. Spring Boot is a special tool using that we can create web applications very easily. Instead of spending lot of time for setting up basic structures and features for your web application, Spring Boots give you pre-made building blocks that you can use. These building blocks help you to handle things like showing web pages, connecting to databases, and dealing with security. Just like how the magical toolkit has all the essential parts of the house, Spring Boot has all the essential pieces needed to create a web application. Spring Boot is like a shortcut that lets developer focus more on the unique and special parts of their application instead of worrying about the basic setup. This can save a lot of time and effort, and it makes it quicker to turn your ideas into fully functioning online service. In simple terms, Spring Boot is like a ready to use toolkit that helps programmers to build web applications faster by providing all the necessary pieces. So the programmers don't have to build the web application from the scratch. It is bit like getting a head start on building your dream house with some magical tools that already have the basics ready for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.